welcome to Creating Creations. So today we're in Canva designing again. Yes, I love Canva. Canva is so easy. You can take your designs and you can upload them and you can create any size, custom size that you want. So Canva, today we're sublimating mouse pads today. So I wanted to make something but real easy. Okay, so the size mouse pad that I have is right here, which is 8.66 by 7.09. Okay, so I've created one right here. Real pretty, huh? So let's see what they have over here. Okay, let's look at my uploads. So I have a few pre-designs already that I purchased. This one is real pretty. Okay. And that's it. All you just want to do is size it. From here, if you want, you could print it out. You could add a text. Okay. Make this bigger. However big you want it. You could change the font. I don't like that. That's pretty. I've been liking this font lately. And see if I can find it. Let's go with this font. Now we're going to leave it black. Yeah. So that's it. That's basically it. You come in and you design it how you want to design it. You can use the elements, the templates that they have. Yeah. You could even use that for a mouse pad. So Just wanted to come in and show you how I created my mouse pads, and I'm going to take you over where I'm going to take you over to my heat press. So I'll see you over there.